Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Shimo Sonic crossover drawing style. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Shimo Sonic style character, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and then back here. Then let's draw a line that's going to go down and then up. Next, let's make a couple little kind of pointed lines and then come down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down and come up to here. Let's bring this down and then in. Then we'll come up and we'll put a couple more little points on here. Next, starting here, let's bring this line out and then in. Then we're going to bring this line down and then up here. We're going to bring this line down and we're going to come into here. Then we're going to bring this line down and then up and then back down, and we're just going to kind of curve this around with some little bumps like this. For the nose, I'm going to bring a little line down here and here. I'm going to put some pointed teeth right across the top and a little curve for the tongue. I'm going to do a little skinny oval shape here and then one right here, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to make a couple little bumps like this, and then I'm going to bring it down to here. Then we're going to put a little line here. Next, I'm going to bring a little line down. And I'm going to bring this line to here. And then I'm going to make a little line down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to put some points on it. Then I'm going to bring this line up here. Then we'll connect it here. I'm going to bring these lines in like this to make it look kind of pointed. Next, starting right here, I'm going to bring this line out and then down here. And then same thing, we'll bring this out and then down. I'm going to put a curve here where that little ring is going to be, or the little bracelet shape. I'll make a little line that's going to curve around here and in for the thumb. I'm going to bring this up and down and curve around. One right here. One here. And then we'll make one right here. We'll bring this down and make a line here that connects. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this line come out like this. We'll bring this down and then back in. We'll curve this line around. Make this line come down and in here with a line across. We're going to curve this line around, and we're just going to bring this back here with some bumps. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out I want to make a little kind of curve shape around here. Then I'm going to bring this line out with a point, another point here, and then one here. And I'm going to bring this back and then in. I'm not going to put shoes on Shimo. We'll give her the claws. Then I'm going to bring this line back up. I'm going to make this line come out and then in. We'll make a little curve here and put that little ring around here. Make a line that's going to come down and up, down and up, down and up, and then we're going to bring this up and down for the foot. I'm going to bring this line in, and we're going to bring it up to here. Go ahead and put some little curves on here for claws and a little line down the side of each foot. Next, I'm going to connect this line right here. Then let's add some of the spikes on here for Shimo. So I'm going to add some kind of like triangle shapes around here. Then I'm going to make some bigger ones just like this. And we're going to make them kind of come out here too. Then I'm going to make some big pointed spikes coming out here. We're going to make some come out here, and then we're going to bring them back in. Then we'll make a few smaller ones here. Then starting here, I'm going to make like a long wavy line for the tail. Then I'm going to bring this back into here. I'll make a line that goes out and then comes to a point and in. And the same thing here, out, comes to a point and in. Then I'm going to make some points that are going to come right across the top here. There is your drawing of a Sonic style Shimo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring.